All right, Dave, you've got us out here bright and early. What are we doing out here?
Well, we're out here to check out a place called Ground from the Eco Village here in Currumbin Valley. They've got spas, saunas, maybe an ice bath. Ooh. Let's get in there and check it out.
Let's go do it.
So, Pete, this is just wow. I mean, look at it. You've got trees, you've got spas, you've got everything.
Yeah.
How did you come up with this design?
To be honest, the tree inspired the design.
Got to say, this would probably be one of the best fig trees I've ever seen. I couldn't even put a year on how old it is, but it's been here for a long time. And I'm saying it's almost 4 or 5 metres wide at the trunk there. It's ridiculous.
We've studied this tree endlessly. It's still growing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Its roots, as you would know, extend well beyond the canopy
100%,
in this scenario. Our job here was to keep the trees the hero of the site and then do whatever we could to make sure we didn't detract from the hero, and in fact we improved it at ground level.
Now, Jeff, you installed the pool. Tell us a little bit about this, mate. What's going on?
Okay, so this is one of our precast plunge pools made up on the Sunshine Coast. It's fully tiled, and we needed something that wouldn't impact on the tree.
Yep.
So that's when Pete came to us. He said, this is my overall brief. So this pool is minimal in ground, and because it's quite strong concrete, it can stay up and being a round design.
And talking about the plunge pool here, so is it salt or chlorine, or what is actually in the pool that makes your skin feel amazing?
Yeah, so it's a product called Mineral Swim.
Yeah.
It actually harvests minerals from the Dead Sea. So we bring out the highest magnesium content mineral in the world from the Dead Sea, and then bag it up, put it in a pool, run it through the filtration system and the sanitisation system. So you're actually bathing in the Dead Sea on the Gold Coast under a 100-year-old fig tree.
Now, I do got to ask, Peter, just tell me one thing, mate. What is the purpose of having so many different spas here? Okay, so if we could just run through that, just so I can work out which one I'm getting in and which one else is getting in.
All right, well, let's take a simple principle of hot-cold, yin and yang. So to experience one, you must fully experience the other. So we move from heat elements, being the saunas, and we move to cold water elements in the plunge pool and the ice bath, or warm water elements in the spas. So to my left, we have the cedar hot tub, and Dave, I've got to tell you, I love this one. This is a Scandinavian experience. It's a deep water immersion experience.
So you're telling me that's for me then? I'll take the hot tub. Okay, no problems.
Yeah, we get a lot of people coming here for sports recovery as well, and they go to the hydrotherapy spa. So they love the bubbles.
I can smell this smoke here behind me. What's going on here? Are you smoking meats or what's happening?
Not a bad idea, but in fact, we're smoking Australian source sustainable hardwood. We're burning a log fire in there, which is heating 260 kilograms of volcanic stone imported from Finland. The thing with it, the log fire heats the stones heats the room.
Cool, well, I'm going to do that one then.
What's this white box over here?
Now, well, you're going to love this, Dave. The white box is for you.
My wife's been trying to put me in one of those for years. So that's under the ground, though.
Yeah.
So, Danielle, everyone tells me that you've got a secret surprise for me. What is it?
So today we're going to do some breathing and a 2-minute ice bath.
Ice bath?
So it's all around teaching your body how to recover from a stress response. So we live in a world where we're constantly in this state of anxiety and stress.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm in a state of stress right now.
Yeah.
I'm about to go into this ice bath. I actually am relaxed. So it's part of the wellness centre, really, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Feeling relaxed.
Okay. So no ice bath now?
No, we're about to go over to the ice bath now.
So right now I'm in the plunge pool, the Dead Sea Mineral Plunge Pool. This is incredible, full of magnesium, and I'm feeling very relaxed.
Oh God!
So relaxing that breath. Nice long exhales.
Someone timing this?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. So just staying
To cramp up a
focused,
little bit. Where am I at with the time?
Relaxing.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Oh God! Can we get the hot tubs? Glad I did it mentally as well at the same time.
Yeah.
You're right, she's fantastic. The breathing works fantastic. And it's the 30 seconds after that was actually all right. So, but now I'm in my Swedish hot tub here. You guys can go. All right.